I saw an unforgettable show, but didn't leave a photo of it. And when I was remembering it, I wasn't just recalling the image, but also the emotions I felt at the time. So I wanted to reproduce the image in my mind through visual means. I researched the 5 stages of memory formation of images in the brain, and each stage corresponds to a different visual effect. So I chose a photo of a scene I had seen before and processed the image with PS to create a variety of effects at different stages. Sensory memory stage, which is the first impression of the image. Then in the short-term memory stage, the details and edges of the image become blurred. The image contrast and color change in the encoding and consolidation stage. The image starts to overlap, and multiple exposures in the long-term memory stage, the details start to be lost, and only the important information is retained. And in the retrieval stage, the image is reconstructed, overlapped, and missing in the mind. After my research on memory reproduction, I wanted to further understand the effects of culture and time flow on memory, so I investigated the memories of people from different cultures about the gates of London's Chinatown and asked them to record the last time they observed the gates, and through their descriptions and sketches, I adjusted the gates of the Chinatown as they remembered it in PS, and at last I sorted the images in chronological order, and it can be seen thus how the images changed in memory as time passed. Even if we haven't seen Chinatown's gate for a long time, we can still recall its shape from memory. This shows how images help build memory. The picture superiority effect in psychology says that images are easier to remember than words. First, this effect not only helps personal memory but also shapes how society sees things. Repeated images can create shared mental patterns or schemas, influencing how we view certain groups. In recent years, many gay men in China have used animal labels to describe themselves. Chubby men with beards are called bears, thin men monkeys, muscular men wolves, and very overweight men pigs. Bears and wolves are popular, while pigs and bears often face mockery and discrimination. To understand this better, I collected photos of labeled gay men from Chinese social apps and grouped them. I turned the data into petal shapes to view them as a group and illustrated their portraits. Inspired by GCD graduate Citing Yao's work "Lesbian Slang in Chinese", which introduces the Chinese lesbian community, I wanted to present the animal labels within the Chinese gay male community. I combined these animal representations with objects symbolizing traditional masculinity, such as white socks, to explain the meaning behind each label. In Paul Salellis' What is Queer Typography? He states, queerness may be expansive, but queer values typically run counter to mainstream conformity and dominant systems. Therefore, these animal labels are highly ironic, resembling a zoo, prompting us to reflect on the challenges faced by queer individuals in China.